Hi guys, welcome back to Skyscraper Games, and I am here at the skyscrapergames.com website, and I'm in the editor. This is Quick Start Lesson 7, so if you haven't done 1 through 6, you can either go back and do them, or at least load the file from Lesson 6 so that you're the same place that I am. Basically, here's what we have so far. So we've got this blue dot is the player. We can move that with the W, A, S, and D keys. The red dot is the computer, and it's chasing us, but it's a little slow right now. So I want to add in some logic to make that speed up. And then after that, in the next lesson, we'll actually add logic for ending the game when you get caught by the computer. So what I want to do is go up under my engine variables, and I've got these variables: speed, which is how fast the computer moves, and then the turn number, which I'm basically using to have the computer move every certain number of turns as well. And what I'm going to do is add a third variable called speed up that I'll set equal to 0. Now there's a number of different ways you could do this. This is just one way, and we might even find out later on that it's not the best way, in which case we could fix it up. Alright, so right here I check to see which turn I'm on, and if the turn is the same as the speed, then I have the computer move. So what I want to do is say speed up plus equals 1, and then we start with speed up at 0, so we'll say every 5 times the computer moves, we'll have it get just a little bit faster. So I want to put another conditional: if self.speed up equals 5, I need the double equal sign there so that it knows I'm checking if it's equal to 5, not setting it equal to 5. So if it is equal to 5, we're going to do self.speed up. We're going to reset it to 0, and we're going to subtract 1. Self.speed minus equals 1. Alright, so I'll put a little comment here. Speed up the computer every 5 times it moves. Alright, now I can tell you already that this is going to cause an error, but I want that to happen so you can kind of see what happens sometimes when you get errors and how to solve those. So well, that's not the error I wanted, but that's a good one. I forgot to put myself here. Self.speedup. Alright, so let me clear up my messages. Let's try this again. Alright, so now it's moving around. The red dot is chasing me. It's slowly but surely getting faster and faster and faster. And I'm just running away from him. Alright, and there's the error I was looking for. Zero division error. Integer division or modulo by 0 on line 53. So it tells me right where it happened. And what happened is, where I've got self.speed minus 1, at some point it becomes 0, and you can't divide something by 0. So to fix that, here at line 57, I'm just going to add an AND condition. So if self.speedup equals 5 and self.speed is greater than 1. And now I'll clear up my error messages, stop the program, and I'll run it again. This time it should work correctly. So it's chasing me, it's chasing me. I know this isn't the most exciting game in the world, but it's getting a little better. Alright, so it's chasing me and now it's caught me. Alright, very good. So the only thing left to do is add logic for stopping the game once you're caught, and we'll do that in Quick Start Lesson 8.